Welcome back to BrainyKids Television and the What If Lab. I'm your host, Dr. Pip Sparkle. Last time, we wondered about cotton candy clouds. Today, we have another super exciting question buzzing in our brains. What if animals could talk? Imagine what they would say. To find out, let's zoom into the What If zone. Wow, it worked. Hello there.
Well, hello. You must be new around here.
Welcome to our jungle. Pretty day, isn't it?
Indeed, another day of sunshine and contemplation.
See this yellow one? It's perfectly ripe. The red ones over there are still a bit sour.
Ooh, a ripe one. Those are my favorite.
So you can tell each other about food just like we do.
I wonder if there are any tasty snacks hiding in here today. This is so much fun swinging through the trees.
The view from up here is absolutely amazing. You can see the whole jungle.
Thank you for letting me visit and hear all your wonderful thoughts. It was amazing.
Goodbye.
Wow. Imagining animals talking really helps us think about how they see the world. Even though they can't speak our language, they communicate in so many amazing ways. Join us next time for another splashy What If. Question: what if we could breathe underwater? See you then, fellow explorers of What If?